Hi guys, welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to add an image to both a flat surface and a curved surface. This is one of the requirements for your keychain project, so pay close attention. I'm going to talk pretty fast because I want to get both of these in the same video. So as you can see here, I have my cube. This is obviously going to be adding an image to a flat surface. So I'm going to select my front face because that's where I want my image to go. I'm going to come down to the front face, right click, and put in a new sketch. Now all I need to do is use the image function to pull an image from my computer. You'll find these images are located under the student drive. If you just go to Warren and then Keychain Images, you'll see the 4 images that are provided to you. I'm going to choose the Science Cougar, click Open, and now I have this black box which indicates where my image will go. I'm going to left click once, my image shows up. Now I'm going to right click and say OK. All I need to do now in my sketch is resize my cougar, remove him in. Oh yeah, it looks good right there. Okay. You can use the measurement tool here if you want to make him perfectly centered. I'm not going to do that in this demo. I'm just going to come up and click Finish Sketch. And you'll notice once we get back into the 3D view that it doesn't look quite done yet. I still have these yellow lines all over. Just like we did with when we added in text, we use the emboss function. Instead of using emboss, we're going to use the decal function, which is located under the Create tab. The decal function allows us to apply an image to a face. So we'll select decal. It's asking me to select the image, so I'm going to come over and select my image. Now the little arrows change to the face. It's asking me, well, what face do you want to put the image on? I want it on my front face. And I don't need to wrap it to face because I'm not wrapping around the cylinder. So I'm just going to select OK. And as you can see, here is my Pine Grove Cougar on the face. Now let's go over to our cylinder. A lot of this is going to be very similar to adding text to the cylinder in terms of work planes. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is make my XY plane visible, and then I'm going to select the plane function, select my plane, and we're going to pull it out to 1/2 inch just like we did when we made text, and click OK. Now that I have this, I need to select that plane, and I'm going to create a sketch on it, and we're going to follow the same thing we just did on the flat surface. Image, Science Cougar, Open. We'll place him right here, and I'm going to go ahead and say OK. I'm going to say, you know what, I like where he's placed. I'm going to finish the sketch. I'm going to come over to Create, Decal, click my image, click my face, and now since it's a cylinder, I need to wrap to face to wrap my cougar around the cylinder. Click OK, and there he is. I can now come over, take visibility off of each of these, and you can see my super sweet cylinder with my name, my school, and my cougar. Hope this video was helpful to you. You may need to slow it down and repeat it a couple times because I know I talked super fast. So enjoy making your images, ladies and gentlemen.